No. Do your pooty noises. No.
Wow.
Yeah. Blow your raspberries. Do it. Do it. She wants the camera. And what if I pretend like the camera's not here?
How can you do that?
I don't know. Just make her not. Stop watching TV. Stop watching TV. Do your raspberry. There you go. What do you got? Oh, no, doing raspberries or whatever you're doing. I don't even know what you're doing. Do it. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off. Alright. Hey, Pooh. Do it some more. Yay! See, I just had sweet potatoes. They match my hair. Okay, a minute and 37 seconds of this. But you're very cute. You're making cute noises and stuff. See, I'm making funny faces. Alright. Bye-bye, Jane. Jane, look at the camera one more time before you cry. Don't get fussy. Oh, it's Mama. Say Mama. 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 Yeah, Mama. Mama. No, Mama. Not you. Mama? Okay, goodbye. Bye, Jane Elizabeth. I love you.